Hi, I'm Annika Sweeney with the Whatcom Conservation District.
And I'm Holly Falstick with the Whatcom County Stormwater Program. We're excited to talk to you today about the Watershed Watchers volunteer program.
Birch Bay is a unique and special place for visitors and residents alike. And this program allows folks that live nearby and up in the Terrell Creek watershed to give back to the community through a variety of different ways. It rains a lot in Whatcom County, and while that helps us grow our local food and keeps our salmon streams healthy and thriving, it can also cause some concerns, especially for Birch Bay.
There are two main ways that you can get involved as a watershed watcher. The first is to report erosion concerns, drainage problems, infrastructure needs, and maintenance needs. You can do that using the Water Reporter app by taking a photo and writing a description.
Another component of Watershed Watchers is our Adopt-a-Block program, where you can volunteer to pick up trash and debris in a neighborhood or beach near you. By signing up, you receive a kit of materials and supplies, and then there's a dumpster available at the Visitor Information Center for you to deposit that trash.
Thank you so much for your interest in the Watershed Watcher program.
For more information, visit our website or stop by the Birch Bay Visitor Information Center, and they can get you signed up today.